Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday. Today is August the 14th. I am out here in beautiful Fayette County, Fayetteville, Georgia, and I tell you, man, timing is sometimes just amazing how things can work out. So I actually did an in-home consultation today in Fayetteville, and my client, this is a client, he's used me numerous times for some of his rental properties up in the city. This is his personal home, Mr. Hall. So I'm just going to be cleaning his floors today. And one of the family members put down some Bona polish. So it's really not a wax removal. So I will tell you guys, when you don't have a lot of wax, maybe one coat or two coats, it's really not a wax removal. A good neutral cleaner and some good chemistry, okay? And even if I have to use a little emulsifier, I mean very little, maybe like 1 to 20. So if I have a really bad wax removal, sometimes it's like 1 to 4. So anyway, guys, it is a beautiful day today. So I went and did an in-home consultation. He actually booked for the last week of August for a screen and recoat, and he was literally about 6 miles from this house. So and then after this, I have another in-home consultation for another client that wants me to do another home for them as well. So that's feel good, guys, when people call me back and they refer me. Lets me know that I'm doing a great job. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so I am in beautiful Fayetteville. Like I said, I went and did an in-home consultation before coming here. Now I got these floors, and it just got, he said, Courtney, they just did it, and you can barely see it. So what I'm going to do, I did mix up a little emulsifier just in case, but I have a cleaner, a high alkaline cleaner. So let me show you guys. So if you look at the floors, walking in, floors look beautiful. But if you come from this angle, you see that, guys? Let me zoom in. You see right there, see that, all right? So you can see the difference. So they try to put some type of the Bona polish on the floors, and he said, Courtney, I don't like that. Let's get it off. So all through here, and like I say, I did mix up some emulsifier just in case, but I always want to test. So I have a cleaner that I put in my culture, and I'm going to use this. And it has 2 brushes that's going to really give the floors a deep scrub. And then also right here, guys, you see when they went around the rug. So that's one of the ways you can tell if there's some type of acrylic wax on the floors, because when the home is furnished, most people they'll usually just go around the rugs, and then when you move the rugs, you see the difference. All right, guys, so we're gonna be doing all of this, not moving any furniture, just kind of folding the rugs back. Here, nice open, beautiful kitchen. Over here in the dining room, again, it's going to fold the rugs back. That's a viscose rug. I seen a company ruin a lady's $10,000 viscose rug. So if you have your rugs clean, guys, please be careful and know who you're hiring, because everybody does not have the proper knowledge or skills to do certain types of rugs. All right, guys, let me get started. Guys, so in this case, yes, I did have to use some emulsifier. I went over it with just the machine and the neutral, and it didn't do anything. So if you look right here, see right there, see that whitish moving already? That is the acrylic wax. I'm sorry, right here. That's starting to emulsify, all right? So what I'm gonna do is do this in sections. I'm gonna hit this right here, do this area, extract, then I'll come over here, do the kitchen, and I might do over here while it's closer, and then work myself around, all right? So yes, I did have to use some emulsifier. All right, guys, let me here. All right, guys, cleaning went really well. Like I said, it wasn't a horrific wax removal like you see in a lot of my videos. He said they only did it one time, so it came up with ease. So now what I'm doing now is just buffing the floors out. So the floor, as you can see, it has a great finish on it. Whoever finished these floors definitely did a great job. I can see in certain areas, but not too bad. Like, it's just having that professional eye. I can see in certain areas where it's taking, especially the high traffic areas, where the poly is starting to take a little wear. So I'll probably let my client know, but you know, they definitely keep up with their home, as you can see. But I'll tell them maybe in the next couple of years, want to probably consider a screen and recoat. Because that's the first thing to wear is your protection. That's all polyurethane is, guys. It just protects the wood, but all polyurethane will eventually wear, and that's when the screen and recoat, which is my most popular service, comes in play to get some new coating back on the floor. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this floor buffed out, and then I'm gonna go grab me some lunch and then go do my next in-home consultation, which is not far from here in the South Fulton area, repeat client as well. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Floors came out great. All right, so what I'm going to do now is go off and have me some lunch and then go do my last in-home consultation for another client. I'm going to be off tomorrow, just chilling, you know, just get a little relaxed time. It's been a busy week. Started off kind of mediocre, but it's definitely, I actually picked up 2 more jobs and also 4 more in-home consultations. So with that being said, guys, and then tomorrow, Saturday, I do have a screen and recoat with UV Cure and also 2 in-home consultations. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.